Hey guys, it's Joe here. Today, let's talk a little bit about slate shots for actors, what they are and why it's important to include them in your portfolio. What is a slate shot? Simply put, a slate shot is a quick, 7-second clip where an actor introduces themselves to the viewer. It's an opportunity to say hi, state your name, and show off a bit of your personality on camera. It sounds simple, and it looks a little something like this.
Hello, I'm Couture Marie.
Hey y'all, I'm Will Davis.
Hi, my name is Camille Crenshaw.
In this new era of self-tape auditions, slate shots are even more important. When overwhelmed with submissions, casting directors can quickly refer to a slate shot to see how you look and sound on camera. Imagine this, your slate shot will be the very first impression you make with a potential casting director, so you need to make it count. And for an actor's take on this, let's hear from Taurean.
Thanks, Joe. In a sense, a slate shot is almost like a moving headshot. Think of how you can bring new, exciting energy to each slate shot you upload. What different character types do you want to portray? How should these slate shots vary in shooting style and lighting? Let's take a look. What do you say, Joe?
Definitely. And I'll take some notes.
Let's just start with the white backdrop that we have right here. Now, yeah, it's simple, but it's crisp and it's not too flashy. And if you can only do one setup, white is the way to go.
Wow. Okay.
This is what we can call commercial. It's clean, it's crisp, just like the white, but we're starting to add some more variety, you see? Now maybe you want to sell toothpaste, or maybe you want to be on Modern Family. Bright colors like this are the way to go. Now this is the ultimate in theatrical. It's very moody, it's very vampire-y, it's very down and out detective-y. Or mesh them together, you get a down and out vampire detective. Joe, please write that one down. The point is, it's gonna add some drama and some depth to your slate shot that'll definitely catch a casting director or agent's eye. Pretty simple, right? On top of giving you a chance to show off your personality, slate shots also boost your priority within the algorithm for sites like Actors Access. Make sure your Actors Access page is stocked with slate shots, headshots, and acting reels as well.
Thanks, Taurean. And if you're interested in adding a slate shot onto your next session with us, just let us know. For more information on my headshot photography, visit joefunkphotography.com. Thank you again for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more photography-related content.